Small creators are printing millions by purposely not going viral. While everyone is chasing millions of views, small creators are doing exactly opposite. And that's exactly why they are making more money. And in this video, I'm going to break down a simple 3-part strategy that any creator, business owner or a personal brand can use to turn their views into a paying client. I have spent last 4 years working with creators and brands and helped them generate millions of views. And in that time, I have seen the same psychological triggers showing up again and again across completely different niches. Because here's the truth, viral content looks good, but it doesn't always make money. You can get lakhs of views and still get 0 client. But on the flip side, you get 10,000 to 20,000 strategic views and make lakhs of rupees from that. So what's the difference? Strategy. And it all comes down to 3 simple things: search-based content, authority positioning, conversation system. Let me break this down for you. Step 1. Search content. Most creators chase viral content, but smart creators focus on search intent, meaning they create videos people are searching on YouTube. For example, instead of how I grew my business, they make videos how to get more customers, why your ads are not working. Now think about the viewer. If someone is searching that, they already have a problem, they already want a solution. That means high intent, high chance to buy. So the learning is not all views are equal. 10,000 high intent views is better than 1 lakh random views. So how you can implement this for you? Ask yourself, what is my ideal client is searching for? Then make content around them. Not trends, not random ideas. Just focus on their problems. Step 2. Authority positioning. And this is where most creators lose. They try to entertain. They try to go viral. But high level creators do something very different. They sound smarter than the viewer. Not in a complicated way, but in a clear, structured way. They break down problems, explain thinking, show systems, and that creates something very powerful: authority gap. The viewers start thinking, this person know my problem better than I do, and that's when they are ready to pay you. People don't pay for content, they pay for clarity. So instead of giving random tips, explain why something works. Break down what most people do wrong. That's how you build authority. Step 3. Conversation system. This is the most important part, because views plus trust still don't make money until you convert them. Top creators don't just post, they lead to somewhere. It could be DM, call, email list, your offer. So the flow of converting a viewer into a paying client is: video builds trust, CTA moves viewer, conversation converts client. And even a 1,000 view video can become a 1 client of 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. And that one video becomes an asset working for you even when you're not posting. So content doesn't make money, but systems do. So before creating any content, ask yourself, where is this content sending people? If the answer is nowhere, you're losing your money. So now think about this. Would you rather have 1 million random views or 10,000 strategic views? Because the smartest creators already made that choice. So let me simplify everything for you. Step 1. Create search-based content. Step 2. Build authority through clarity. Step 3. Add a conversation path. That's it. That's the whole system. Low views with right audience will always be better than high views with low audience. So if your content isn't making money right now, it's not because you need more views. It's because you need 10,000 strategic views. So now let me show you a real example of how this actually pays out. Not a massive creator, not millions of subscribers, but someone building this the right way. For example, take this channel. At first glance, it's a small channel. Low subscriber, low views compared to big creator. But if you understand strategy, this is exactly how high income personal brands are built. Step 1. Search or problem based content. Look at the type of videos being created. They are not random. They are built around specific problem, specific audience, specific intent. Topics like self-improvement, clarity, personal growth, life direction. Now think about the viewer. The people clicking this content are not random. They are actively looking to improve their life. That means high intent audience. So even if the video gets 10,000 views, those 10,000 views are more valuable than the random 1 lakh views. Step 2. Packaging. Now look at how the content is delivered. Look at the thumbnail and title. They feel clean, minimal, emotionally driven, slightly introspective. Not loud, not clickbait heavy. And that's intentional, because our audience is not a 15-year-old scrolling for a dopamine. Our audience is people thinking about their life. So the packaging should match the psychology of the viewer. And the biggest insight here is your thumbnail is not just about clicks. It filters who clicks. She is not trying to attract everyone. She is attracting the right people who is her potential client. Step 3. Conversational potential. Now let's connect this to money. With this kind of audience, monetization becomes very clear. Even with a small audience, she is offering one-to-one consulting, public speaking, video course, her digital products. And because the audience is already trusting, already problem aware, already looking for solutions, she'll be able to sell these very easily to their viewers. She don't need millions of views to sell these. She just need the 10 to 20,000 right views. You don't need a big audience. You just need the right audience. And this is where most people underestimate the opportunity. With consistent content like this, a creator can build a strong personal brand, launch course, scale consulting, build a community, and realistically turn this into a multi-crore businesses. And I've seen this personally building with lot of creators, not by going viral, but by being being strategic. And if you want to build this kind of system where your content doesn't just get views but actually brings client for you, that's exactly what we do as Echoes Media. We help creators and brand build content systems, create high converting videos, and turn content into a client acquisition machine. So if you are serious about growing your personal brand, my DMs are always open. You can email me or connect me on my socials. And if you want to know how to build a personal brand step by step from scratch, watch this video and let's build something that actually converts.